Peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum. In today's tutorial, we're going to consider the second difference between Arabic and English. And this difference has to do with phonology. English has about 3 times as many vowel sounds in comparison to Arabic. Consequently, it's inevitable that beginning learners will find it difficult to distinguish between some of the words that they hear in Arabic, especially when this has to do with distinguishing and differentiating between short and long vowels. And I believe this concept is very important for beginners, and if they master this, they will find it so easy to comprehend and use Arabic in the future. Now, as for English, as you can see, there are 2 main types of long and short vowels, short and long. Ship, sheep, bed, bead, set, seat. As for Arabic, we're going to consider 3 concepts. First of all, short vowels. By the way, in Arabic we call these kasra, written under the letter. It's one of the diacritics. Fatha, written over the letter. And dhamma, again written over the letter. So now let's read. The word book. In Arabic, it means kitab, ki. That's a kasra. I. Kitab. As for the past tense of the verb write, wrote, in Arabic, ka, ta, ba. Kataba. As you can see, there are 3 diacritics, and all of them are fatha, written over the 3 letters of the word kataba, as you can see. Peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, we're going to consider the second difference between Arabic and English. And this difference has to do with phonology. English has about 3 times as many vowels as Arabic. Consequently, it's inevitable that beginning learners will find it difficult to distinguish between some of the words that they hear in Arabic, especially when this has to do with distinguishing and differentiating between short and long vowels. I believe that if learners of Arabic master this concept, it will become so easy for them to read and write in Arabic. It's a very confusing concept, actually. Long and short vowels, and you'll see through discussion will make it easy for you. Let's start with English. The short and long vowels. Ship, sheep, bed, bead, set, seat. As for Arabic, there are 3 tables. The first one is about short vowels. Let's take an example. The word book. In Arabic, it's written as the following. Kitab. This is a short vowel representing the kasra, which is one of the diacritics in Arabic, and it is written under the letter, as you can see. Kitab. It resembles this kasra. We call this kasra. Ka-ta-ba. 3 short vowels, ka, ta, ba, and they resemble the fatha. Again, one of the three diacritics in Arabic. Actually, these are the three main important ones. The kasra, which is written under the letter ki, the fatha, which is written over the letter ka, ta, ba, and finally the dhamma, which is written over the letter kutub. Kutub means books in English. Kutub, kutub, ku, tu, ku, tub, kutub, kutub. So again, how many short vowels do we have? 3. Kasra, fatha, dhamma. Kasra, written under the letter ki, fatha, written over the letter ka, ta, ba, and finally dhamma, which is written over the letter kutub, kutub. Now, as for long vowels, books, kitab, 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 kitab. Arithmetics, hisab, hisab. As can be noticed, this is a long vowel, not like the short vowels. Kitab, hisab. Okay? Going down to, this is called a long vowel. Kitab, hisab. Now, maktub, written, or it could be a message, by the way, in Arabic, a letter actually. Maktub, maktub. Mahsub, mahsub. Maktub, mahsub. Calculated, calculated. Now, kathir, many. Kathir, kathir. Okay? Kathir. Wafir, plenty. Wafir, wafir, as you can see. So now all these are long letters. Again, kitab, hisab, maktub, mahsub, kathir, wafir. Now a combination between long and short vowels. The word kitab, as can see, it has a short vowel, e, kasra, ki, and the long vowel, a, kitab, kitab. The word writer, katib, has a long vowel and short vowel, ka, katib, tib, short vowel, long vowel. Again, short and long vowel. Undo. Now, kutub, kutab, writers. Kutab, kutab, short vowel, long vowel. Again, short vowel, long vowel. Kitab, okay, long vowel, short vowel. Katib, again, short vowel, long vowel. Kutab, okay, thank you. This concludes our tutorial today about the second difference between Arabic and English, which is philology. Thank you very much.